Right, welcome back everyone. Today we are working on the adventure bus yet again. We have to finish this interior. Hopefully by the end of this video, this interior is completely done. So we need to do the flooring, which is vinyl up front, carpet in back. We have to do the caulking along all the seams, make sure this thing's airtight, nice and solid. We have to do some more painting. We have to stain and finish the shelves. And yeah, that should be it. Let's just go ahead and get started. I don't have time to lollygag. I'm starting on the flooring. The flooring is the same flooring that we're using over here. So this is a vinyl flooring. It's gonna go all the way out to the middle of the doorway. And yeah, it's gonna be matching that. It's gonna match the walls, and it matches this wood really well. So that's gonna look really good. Vinyl flooring, pretty easy to work with. You just kind of cut it to shape with a razor blade, then you glue it down, and yeah, that's it. Also, once we do the flooring, we can put the table in. Forgot about that, so maybe we can get that done today as well. And the floor is in. Look at this. This is nice. We need to add one of those aluminum trim pieces along that area. I'm really happy that we're doing like a hardwood up front instead of a carpet. The carpet was nice, but it didn't make it feel very official. Having carpet in a kitchen didn't work.
I disagree.
You disagree? Fair enough. And we also went ahead and mounted this shelf for this door. All these hinges are squeaky, but very satisfying. So right now we're gonna go ahead and finish these shelves mostly. We're gonna put the trim on them and we're going to stain them. The shelves have the trim on them and they are now stained. Oh, that looks good. This bus is a major transformation here. This is like a modern home, dude. But we splurged earlier today, Audrey and I did. We got a new mattress for the bus. So let's go ahead and put it on, and after we're doing that, we'll do the carpet, and then we'll start the table. And then I'm going to go to bed. Yeah. Oh, it's growing!
Oh, I'm laying on it.
Yeah, you should get off of it. Oh, that looks cozy. Oh yeah, that's awesome. Oh, that is so comfy. Man, this thing is so soft.
I'm so short.
You are really short.
Yeah, this is with my feet hanging off the bed.
Yep, this is definitely nicer than our mattress at home. We will eventually have like a little end table kind of thing down there, like a little end shelf, but we didn't have time to make that, so. All right, carpet time. Carpet needs to be stapled in, but with this bed back here, this is incredible, guys. This is incredible. This thing is looking so awesome. It smells so fresh in here. It smells like construction and progress. It honestly feels like a house in here. Like it just, it's very complete. Well, if you don't look at the roof, it's very complete. Obviously, the roof, the upper section is a little not as nice, but everything else is just, look at those cabinet doors. Remember how we always used to complain at how hot it was in the bus?
Oh.
Guess what?
I remember.
It's so freaking cold outside. Right now, -22 degrees. With wind chill, it's like -40, -50 degrees. It's absurdly
Everyone's
cold.
just complaining about it.
Yeah, we have the right to complain about negative 50-degree weather, Pasha. The annoying thing is that we have to unbury the trailer. It's been snowing a bunch that last week, so the trailer is buried in snow, and we have to shovel it out and pull it out in this weather. And we have to load a car in this weather.
Yay!
And we have to pack the bus in this weather. Literally the worst possible weather that we could have had, but it's all right. Soon I'll be in Texas where it's a high of 70, I think, 4 on Sunday, so. Since we finished the interior yesterday, today is maintenance day. So I did an oil change. I now need to do a coolant flush, because as you guys saw, the coolant was really nasty. 28 quarts of coolant is how much the bus takes. It's absurd. Oh, it's icy, isn't it?
On the bottom, yeah.
Oh, rip.
But this is like nice.
Rip. You gonna suck.
How are you doing?
Probably good enough. Think that's good enough?
Yeah. As long as you get, I mean, obviously you're gonna get the lock off. I don't have gloves. It hurts to hold the camera.
Put your gloves back on.
No. I can't press buttons.
Okay, then put the camera down.
Okay. We're gonna get it. It's gonna be all good. Don't you worry, guys. It's gonna be epic. Oh. It's moving. Oh God. Yeah, it's fine. It's fine. It's literally just sliding on top of the snow. There we go. Thanks.
Oh, it's still so clean, mostly. Ha! I forget. Man, I didn't remember how, like, seeing the car again. Like, man, I missed this thing.
Oh yeah, she's sexy, dude.
Woo! Missed you, Molly.
Oh yeah, dude. Hell yeah.
Yeah.
She is so clean. So much cleaner than any car that I've seen for the past, like, I don't even know.
Yeah, it's not true. I'm so used to seeing cars come
All
with
like salty, all freaking dirty. This looks like a showroom car.
I know. I'll start.
The battery's
Yeah,
dead.
battery's dead. That makes sense. I mean, it sat for a while, but
I like your
it was close.
I
It was
like
so
your
close. You like my hat?
beanie. Is that what it's called?
Not really a beanie.
It's
I
not
don't
a
know what
beanie?
they're called, but they got the cool.
It's a cool hat. I want it.
cool hat. Fuck, I don't know what to do now.
Do you have like a battery charger off the outlet?
Yeah, I think it. I have one. I don't know if it works.
We'll get back to you guys whenever we charge the battery.
Yep. Gosh, I didn't film it.
What do you mean? You didn't say I should film. I said wait. Wait.
I missed that smell.
I don't. Smells like gas.
Smells like race car. Well, guys, after the past month and a half, 2 months of really, really hard work, we made it. Let me show you what we got. Molly is ready as she can be. Tomorrow we'll load her on the trailer. I did an oil refresh, coolant refresh, checked everything. It's all good. Bus is good, new oil, new coolant, and the interior, of course, is finished and we are packed. Let me take my shoes off here. We walk up into our beautiful kitchen slash dining room area. We got our beautiful benches and table made by yours truly. Oh wait, everything is made by yours truly. Audrey helped paint. The sub tucked down there. We're gonna put the sub away whenever we park somewhere. That's just for driving. Up here I got all my laptops and stuff. We've got our kitchen countertop, which just looks so good. Our 2 dressers, or drawers, or cabinets, whatever you call them. Cabinets, yeah, that's what they're called. Our fridge with wine and brews. We have our coffee maker and our coffee mug. And then we come to the bedroom. Does this not look like the most cozy thing ever?
Be cozier if the door is shut.
Can you close the door?
You opened it for a reason.
And I have finished that reason.
Then you didn't close the door.
I'm sorry. It's not as amazing when you just look at it in itself, but if you compare it to what it used to be, I think that's what amazes me. Like, it's just so many times better than the last setup that, like, honestly, it doesn't look like it was built by the same person. I learned quite a bit of stuff from the first build, mostly from you guys and just from doing it. And I applied all that stuff this build. I had more people helping, and we got this entire thing done in a month and a half. These past couple days, I've been at the shop for like 14 hours all day, came home, edited, and went to bed. Like, it's been rough, but we're here. Tomorrow we leave, so I'm really excited. I'm gonna go ahead and end it there. One really cool thing I wanted to show you guys, how much more stuff we were able to fit under the bed since we increased the storage area. Like, holy crap! These wheels and tires literally fit perfectly. We got all the oil, all the fluids right here, a bunch of fluids, cleaning stuff, tools, chargers, our suitcases, you know, we have everything. And we actually have a lot more room back there, so. Raising the bed, huge move. Also, for you guys who are wondering what we did to the windows that we blocked off, we painted the outside. I will see you guys in the next video. We leave tomorrow, so you know, I should be like tomorrow or the next day. We're heading to Memphis. We're staying there for a night, and then we're heading to Dallas. I'm gonna go drifting. I'm gonna do race car stuff. I'm excited to be done with carpentry and get back into cars. So hopefully you guys are too. If you guys did enjoy this video, please make sure to give it a like. And if you're new, please subscribe and hit that notification bell. If you did not enjoy this video though, please give it a dislike and comment how I can improve. I definitely know that I did not do the best job at filming these last couple of days, but hopefully it was enough. I'm sorry if it wasn't, but that was nasty, I just spat. You guys will see plenty of the Avenger bus over the next couple of days, so I think I'll make up for it. So it's all right. It's Thursday, so have a great almost weekend, I guess.